Hey trailer, welcome back to my channel where we learn simple and powerful trading strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you a high accuracy pocket option strategy in which we'll use the CCI, Keltner Channel, and SuperTrend indicators. This combination will help you understand trend direction, entry, and confirmation signals so you can make accurate entries and earn better profits. Let's start. Okay, so let's add the indicators here. First, we have our CCI, and here second, we'll add the Keltner channel, and third, our last one, SuperTrend. Alright, now let's change the settings. In the Keltner channel, we'll set the moving average period to 11, and for the ATR period, we'll set it to 6, and we'll leave the multiplier as it is. In the style section, let's change the colors a bit. We'll set the top color to blue and make it thicker, specifically 2 pixels. And here we'll change the bottom color to red and also set it to 2 pixels. Okay, and for the background, let's make it a bit lighter, setting it to white. Alright, so I've set the background to white here and we'll save it. Okay, so we've added the Keltner channel here. Now let's look at SuperTrend. For SuperTrend, we'll set the ATR period to 8. Alright, and we'll keep the multiplier as is. Here, we'll set it to 3 pixels and we'll keep the colors the same, green and red. Okay, we've set both to 3 pixels, so now both indicators are set. Lastly, our CCI. Let's set its period to 13, and in the styles, let's change the color. For the main line, let's set it to pink, or we can keep it red, but let's go with pink. Okay, and here we'll make the background invisible. Alright, and here we'll set it to 2 pixels so the line becomes a bit clearer and easier for us to see. Okay, so we've set everything to 2 pixels here, and I'll choose blue color here. Okay, now we'll save our settings. So now our indicators are ready to use, alright? And here we can see a pretty good opportunity. I see a buy trade here. I'll explain to you why I took a buy trade here. Okay, so I've placed my buy trade here for $2,505 because the price has strongly bounced from the middle Keltner channel. You can see the candle is testing the Keltner channel's midline and closing back above it. This signals that buyers are defending the mid-band as dynamic support. And second here, the super trend 8 and 3, the green line. The trend is now confirmed. Here, the super trend indicators are clearly in the green zone. This means the trend is already in an uptrend. Now buying on a lower pullback in the trend is a high probability entry. Alright, and third, here the CCI gave me clear momentum confirmation. The CCI was coming up from the oversold zone, indicating strong buying pressure. The super trend was already green, so the trend was also up. Since both confirmations matched, the buy trade here was safe. Okay, our trade has won here and we have booked a profit of $1,920. Here I opened the 10-second time frame so that we can take advantage of every small movement in the market. Alright, we can see the market's reaction here and respond immediately. Here I have opened a second chart of CAD JPY OTC, and here I see another buy trade opportunity. Okay, I am taking my buy trade here, and after that I will explain it to you. Okay, so let's understand why I took the buy trade here. Now, if you look, the price has reversed from the lower band of the Keltner channel. That means the green candle touched and rejected the lower Keltner band. The price, in other words, pulled back aggressively towards the middle M band, and secondly, the price shifted to the upper side of the super trend. Here on our chart, the super trend has turned green. The price has sustained above the green super trend line, so the trend could flip from here, from bearish to bullish, right? So here, we'll wait a little and see what the result is. And here we also see a strong bullish momentum candle just before the buy trade. A long-bodied bullish engulfing type candle has formed, which has clearly broken the previous red candle and closed above it. This clearly shows us that buyers are stronger here. Based on all these factors, I took my trade here, and our trade has also won here. Once again, we've made our profit here, and now I'll open my second chart. We'll look at our trades there. So I've opened the AUD CHF OTC chart here, and let's see what opportunities we can spot here. Okay, so first I'll draw a horizontal line here, because the chart is moving sideways, right? The market is moving sideways here. There's no trend. So I've marked my support and resistance levels here. And if you look, the market has broken through our resistance and moved up. So I feel that the market could come down from here because whenever the market breaks out, it usually comes back to test its resistance. That's why I've taken a sell trade here, and let's wait to see what the result is. If we look at it based on our indicators, you can see that the price was extremely overextended up to the upper Keltner band. If we look at the candles, there's already been a spike above the upper band, which means the price was stretched quite high from here, causing an overextension, which could lead to a short-term downtrend or a reversal. So let's wait a bit and see what the result is here. And this will be the last trade of today's video. Here, I can see a long red candle has formed, okay, and our trade has won here, okay. So once again, we've booked a profit of $1,520 here. See you in the next video.